Imagine a crime scene. A detective finds a single hair, once a dead end, now a powerful clue. That tiny strand holds a unique code: DNA. DNA fingerprinting has revolutionized crime solving, freeing the innocent and catching criminals, even decades later. But its impact goes far beyond the courtroom. DNA can reunite families separated by war or adoption with just a cheek swab. It's science bringing people back together, helping us answer, who am I? Where do I come from? DNA reveals the invisible threads connecting us to our past and each other. This technology also protects endangered species. Scientists use DNA from ivory to track poachers and shut down trafficking rings. From the smallest cell to the largest animal, DNA tells a story of survival, family, and justice. So how does it work? How can something so small hold so much information? It sounds like science fiction, but it's real, and happening in labs worldwide. We'll break down the science behind this tool and see how it solves problems big and small. Prepare to be amazed by the power hidden inside every living thing. This is a journey into the core of what makes us who we are. DNA fingerprinting isn't just about catching criminals. It's about connection, identity, and discovery. The story of DNA is the story of us all. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. DNA is like a giant instruction book for life, written in a code of 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. Humans share 99.9% of this code, but that tiny 0.1% difference makes each of us unique. DNA fingerprinting, or DNA profiling, focuses on those unique differences. It examines specific repeating patterns in your DNA, like a biological barcode. Unless you have an identical twin, your DNA fingerprint is yours alone. Scientists create a visual pattern of these repeats, which looks like a series of bands, your genetic barcode. This barcode can match a person to a biological sample with incredible accuracy. In forensics, if DNA from a crime scene matches a suspect's, it's strong evidence. The same principle applies to family relationships. A child's DNA barcode is a mix of their parents. By comparing patterns, we can confirm relationships or solve mysteries of identity. DNA fingerprinting is a simple concept with profound implications. It's a reliable way to tell people apart on a genetic level. This uniqueness is what makes DNA fingerprinting so powerful. It's used in law, medicine, and even to reunite families. The science is complex, but the idea is simple. Your DNA tells your story, and that story is unlike anyone else's. How do scientists make a DNA fingerprint? It starts with extracting DNA from a sample: blood, hair, saliva, or skin cells. Special chemicals break open the cells and release the DNA. Next, restriction enzymes, tiny molecular scissors, cut the DNA at specific sequences. Because everyone's DNA is slightly different, the cuts create fragments of various sizes. These fragments are sorted by size using gel electrophoresis, a process where DNA moves through a gel under electric current. Smaller fragments travel faster, creating a unique pattern. Scientists then transfer the pattern onto a nylon sheet and add probes that stick to the repeating sequences. When viewed under special light, the probes reveal a series of bands, the DNA fingerprint. This pattern is compared to other samples for a match. The process is precise, elegant, and reveals the hidden code within us. Each fingerprint is a unique genetic signature. This method has transformed how we identify, connect, and protect. DNA fingerprinting is science at its most powerful and personal. It's the ultimate detective tool. DNA fingerprinting is famous in forensics, matching suspects to crime scenes or proving innocence. It's also vital for confirming family relationships, like paternity tests or reuniting families. A child's DNA fingerprint is a blend of their parents, making relationship testing accurate and reliable. In medicine, DNA fingerprinting helps diagnose genetic disorders and find compatible organ donors. It's used in research to identify genes linked to diseases, leading to new treatments. After disasters, DNA helps identify victims when other methods fail, bringing closure to families. The technology is compassionate, offering certainty in the darkest moments. DNA fingerprinting's reach extends to inheritance disputes and adoption cases. It's a tool for truth, justice, and healing. Science isn't just about answers, it's about helping people. DNA fingerprinting is proof of that. It's changed the justice system, medicine, and our understanding of family. The impact is profound and personal. DNA is more than evidence, it's a lifeline. DNA fingerprinting isn't just for humans, it's transforming wildlife conservation. Scientists use DNA from ivory to track poaching and protect endangered species. Environmental DNA, or eDNA, lets researchers study rare animals without capturing them, just by analyzing traces left behind. This helps monitor populations and protect ecosystems. In food safety, DNA testing exposes food fraud and traces outbreaks to their source. It ensures what's on your plate is what you paid for. DNA fingerprinting even unlocks secrets of history, analyzing ancient bones to learn about our ancestors. In agriculture, it helps breed stronger, disease-resistant crops to feed a growing world. The applications are as diverse as life itself. From the wild to the kitchen, DNA is everywhere. It's a tool for conservation, safety, and discovery. The possibilities are endless. DNA fingerprinting is incredibly accurate. Two unrelated people almost never share the same pattern, but accuracy depends on careful sample collection and lab work. Mistakes are rare but possible, so strict standards are essential. With great power come big ethical questions. DNA holds deeply personal information. Who should access it? Privacy concerns are real. Should employers or insurers see your genetic risks? Law enforcement databases raise questions about consent and civil liberties. Should your DNA be stored forever if you're not convicted of a crime? When you share your DNA, you reveal information about your relatives. Did they consent? Public genealogy databases can help solve crimes, but also raise new privacy debates. Balancing safety and rights is a challenge we must face together. The conversation about ethics is just as important as the science. DNA fingerprinting has changed our world, from justice to conservation, medicine to family. What began as a lab curiosity now frees the innocent, reunites families, and protects endangered species. The technology keeps advancing. Soon, DNA profiles could be made in minutes anywhere. But as we unlock new possibilities, we must protect privacy and use this power wisely. The future of genetics depends on both innovation and responsibility. DNA reveals our individuality and our shared heritage. It's a testament to human curiosity and connection. By reading our genetic code, we understand ourselves and each other more deeply. The story of DNA is the story of us all, and we're just beginning to read it.